Alrighty, folks. Welcome back to another room review. Here we are at 29306 at Ventus Ha El Cid Marina. This is the Ventus Ha property. Let's go have a little look. Oops, got a hole in the wall. On first impression, it's a very nice spot. Let's kick the, oh, hi, admin reveal. On first look, very nice. Love the dark wood. One king bed. Nice end tables, lighting. Headboard, big old king bed. This is an attached room, or whatever they call it, unfortunately, but haven't heard anything as of yet. I mean, we just got into the room, but TV, cabinets, mind my stuff, we just got in. Nice seating area with built-in sculptures. How about that? That's a first for me. Petrified wood or something, kind of cool. And this guy right here, this is a Murphy bed. So I guess if you're splitting a room with a friend or kids, it's a pretty great option. That's the exit to the patio. We'll leave that to the end. Another look at the bed. How about that? What a great property. We got this at a steal on Expedia. I would consider this a very value property. Oh, but like with high-end features. Into the shower. A nice walk-in shower with gold or brass fittings. Very cool. Got your bench for when you get tired in the shower. Your rack, towel rack. Of course, the toilet. Ample toilet paper. How about that, folks? Dose rolls. Not bad. The room looking out. It's a nice, spacious room. Well appointed. Considering the price point, I want to say it was somewhere around 14 or 1500 Canadian for the 4 nights. And this is February, so it's probably high season. How about that? Nice big patio, balcony. With hammock included. This is great. This is the pool resort view out to the mangroves, and the crocodiles and the mosquitoes. We're very impressed so far. We've been here about 5 minutes, so it's taking some strides, but gorgeous property so far. 10 out of 10 thus far. Stay tuned for the resort review later. Have a wonderful day, everyone.